The name WeBank and its penguin are now familiar to most Chinese. Although few people have conducted actual business with the internet bank, word has gone out that China's first internet bank is opening its portal very soon.
Our target clients are people who need smaller amounts of loans, from several hundred yuan to 1 million yuan. As we operate on the internet, we hope the technology will help increase efficiency, cut costs, and in turn give customers better rates.
WeBank doesn't have plans to attract established clients who borrow big, but rather it uses big data to find those with more personal needs.
New graduates like me don't have enough money and little banking history. It'd be great if our online shopping history could be calculated as credit, so that we can borrow from banks, get small loans to pay rent, and maybe pay in installments.
I'm a small business owner. I try to borrow from banks, but I've never had a mortgage. It would be really helpful if there were other ways to prove my credit history. There are many entrepreneurs like me, and we need loans to keep our business afloat.
Unlike traditional banks, WeBank will issue loans based on credit rating scores from Tencent's social data. Permission came from China's central bank, which recently loosened its control by allowing 8 private firms, including Tencent and Alibaba, to set up their own credit rating agencies. This gives commercial banks alternatives to the central bank when checking an applicant's credit worthiness.
The central government has given a lot of support to China's growing internet finance industry in recent years. Now that the personal credit reporting industry is opening up, here at Tencent, we can use our decades of customer data online to analyze their credit risk. We've already been approached by many potential partners. The financial industry has really flourished since 2013, and many companies in the sector are in great need of credit reports to help them lower their risks.
Internet players such as Tencent and Alibaba are confident that their huge customer base and decades of their online footprints, from buying to gaming, will help them calculate better than traditional methods. But big data application in China is still relatively new,
and require a lot of computing power to analyze big data, because big data involve not only traditional, we see like numbers, we also see pictures, sound, voice, things like that. Currently, this field is immature, it's still young. We made some progress, however, it's still far away from the accuracy we need.
Whether internet financing in China will eventually achieve a transformation for the country's banking industry still needs to be time-tested. But it's a positive sign that relevant regulations are adapting, albeit slowly, to help nurture the growth of pilot programs as the country undergoes a continuing reform. Ai Yang, CCTV, Beijing.